Hello, everybody. In this beautiful golden morning sunshine, accompanied by a little bit of chilly weather and some rain, we are yet again headed towards another beautiful destination today. The destination we have chosen today is a very common, famous one. We want to visit the Hogenikal town and the Hogenikal Falls. However, the route we are going to take is the one to watch out for. We are going to try a different route to this destination today. The common one that everybody takes is the Hosur Krishnagiri Dharmapuri route on the highway, which is a nice one, a nice side, but the one which we are choosing today goes through Denkani Kotai, and that will be a very scenic one. And why do I say so? You will see for yourself in the rest of this video. Along with this, we also wanted to visit another place on our ride today, which was almost on the way, and it's a cafe. It's a cafe which is recommended for bikers, and they say it is designed for bikers. It's a good place to visit. This place is a 10 to 12 kilometers deviation from the Denkani Kotai town, and we wanted to check this out, so we decided to go to this place for our morning breakfast. This place is called Rocky Ridge Cafe. This is the beautiful surrounding of this cafe. It is situated amidst greenery, and they operate only on weekends. Weekdays only on request, prior request. It is well nested amongst greenery. It's also a farm. Apparently, they also provide staying options if you are interested. It was a nice place to spend some time. I'm sure with friends it would be amazing because you could play games, you could even read some books, you could relax. And for bikers, there were separate racks for hanging the gear, for helmets, and everything. They offer buffet food. We heard, we have ordered some breakfast, so hopefully it would be nice sometime. We wanted to just explore this place, and that's why we are here. Today I'm riding with my friend Richard. He was the one who suggested this ride today in this route. We had to come back to Denkani Kotai to continue our journey towards Hogenikal, and that's where this beautiful ride into the forest started. Mostly through the reserve forest area, a lot of hairpin bends, a lot of curves. I was a little taken aback. I felt it was a little difficult for me, but I enjoyed it all the same. But probably it was like Richard's favorite terrain, and he was just cruising through it. That was so impressive for me. Um, in between, there were a lot of places where you could get such good views of the whole area around you, and that was just mesmerizing. Further into our ride, we came across several places where we could get a complete view of the surrounding hill range, the greenery, and the complete view of the forest area. And this is called the Kaveri Reserve Forest area. We could see a water source far ahead in the background. This is the water source which further goes and becomes the Hogenikal Falls. The other side of this water source is Tamil Nadu, and this side is Karnataka. just about 5 kilometers before we were to reach Hogenekel Falls, we came across a riverside place, a shore, which was so beautiful. So we thought we will just stop by for some pictures. This place was like picture perfect, with water in between, shores on either sides, mountains in the backdrop, clear blue sky. I mean, what more can one ask for? This water source in between flows all the way till the Hogenekel Falls, the same water source which we saw from the viewpoint. I'm standing on the Tamil Nadu side of this water source, and the other shore belongs to Karnataka. It was a very serene place, and the water was so beautifully flowing. It was a sight to watch. From that river shore, our plan was to go to Hogenekel Falls, but 2 kilometers from there, the police stopped us and they said that there is no entry into that district and Hogenekel Falls is closed. We don't know for sure whether it is open if we enter from the highway side, but we were sent back on this side, so we could not go to the falls and we had to take the same path all the way back to come back home, that is to Bangalore. However, we feel that falls or no falls, the ride we took, the expectation we had from this ride was a total success, and we would always want to ride through these serene, beautiful roads. So for all you people out there who would like to go on a long green ride or a drive, please do check out this route. It is very beautiful, and I can assure you that you will not be disappointed at the end of it. So there it is, an unseen, beautiful route to Hogenekel, and we enjoyed it thoroughly. You would also enjoy. Please do visit, and thank you for watching our video so far and encouraging us. Do let us know in the comments how you liked this video, and like, share and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, take care, stay safe, YOLO, you only live once.